malakas na hiyawan dyan. Thank you so much. Celebrating beauty and diversity, this program, Queen of Quiapo 2025, aims to promote the beauty and richness of the diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, people of Quiapo, standing in front of you is a 26-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful sirenas in the Philippines, Piñahan, Quezon City. I am Casey Banyas Pakulan. I am your reigning Queen of Quezon City and your Miss International Queen Philippines, NCR. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. Tonight is a celebration of beauties all over the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, talking about national costume or festival costume, the one that I'm wearing tonight declares how festive and accepting the Philippine culture is. Ladies, panel board of judges, enjoy the show because this is for you all. Good evening.
Gaganahang magpakilala kung walang masigabong hiyawan at palakpakan dyan. Maraming salamat po. The true beauty shines through a positive attitude. It is the inner grace that makes the outer glow remarkable. A young lady standing in front of your naked eye is a fresh, yes, fresh na fresh. Indeed, 16-year-old stunner, hailing all the way from the silver lining capital of the Philippines, Tondo, Manila. My name is Heaven Humawan, but tonight, this is a pageant. Allow me to carry the image of the one who captures the heart of Mr. Gerald Anderson. Your one and only, Miss Julia Barreto. Miss Julia Barreto na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan na hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Parang ikaw, kuya, masarap nga, ngunit hindi naman minahal. Mga kaibigan, hurado at manonood, ang pagsuot ng pambansang kasuotan ay wala sa laki, wala sa ganda. May kita ito kung paano mo ito dinadala. My national costume was inspired by a Singkil princess from the island of Maranao. Once again, my name is Heaven Humawan. Naniniwalang kung tunay na matapang at maganda ka, hindi ka takot mauna. Maraming salamat po.
Una, kaya, kaya. Una.
Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of a spectacle public display, we gaze bend history, and that's our story. Tonight, we celebrate human diversity and exert our sexuality. My name is Mika Ortega, all the way from the business capital of the Philippines, Makati City. And but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, ang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Jason Abalos. Your binibining Pilipinas first runner-up 2018, Miss Vicky Rushton. Vicky Rushton, na nag-iiwan ng pick-up line, Kuya, pader ka ba? Paihe, thank you.
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibex First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am your top 31 most beautiful faces in the world, Miss Liza Soberano. And I always believe, si bis amare amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 3. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. And the national costume that I am wearing for tonight is representing the Philippines. Tangkilikin ang sariling atin. Mabuhay, Pilipinas. Thank you.
Sa
sigawan dyan? Wala bang pagkain dyan? Ladies and gentlemen, people of Arlequí, standing in front of you is a 26-year-old stunner hailing all the way from the travel capital of Manila, Pasay City. I have been joining beauty pageants as a bisexual contesera, and tonight is my comeback as a transgender contesera. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? My name is Barbie Roberts, but tonight, please allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, your only one, Miss Universe 2015. Bakit di natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at isigaw, Miss Pia Alonso. Words back. Pia Alonso, words back, na nagsasabing, kung gusto mo ng boyfriend na hot, maghanap ka ng lalaking may lagnat. My costume is inspired by the Paro-Paro Festival from Dasmariñas City, commemorating the success from a small town to one of the most progressive cities in Calabarzon Region 4A. Thank you.
Manila is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 18 years old stunner, and I am proud to say that I am your Queen of Quezon City 2024 second runner-up. My real name is Joanna Carla Alcantara Garcia in real life, but tonight, please you allow me to stand by the name, your one and only, ang babae nagpatibok sa bihikang puso ni Mr. Troy Montero, ang babaeng walang kaparis at katulad, ang nag-iisang Miss Aubrey Miles. Aubrey Miles po na nagsasabing, ba, taman po ako sa inyong paningin? Huwag na huwag niyong mamalitin dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpalak, may batang kontesera na tatatak. Judges, my national costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by the giant lantern capital of the Philippines, San Fernando, province of Pampanga. And judges, mark my number because I'll give you the best show and the night to remember. Thank you.
Sexy ako. Kaunti. Palakpakan naman po kayo, kaunti. Dagdagan niyo pa po, kaunti. At hiyawan, kaunti. Salamat po, kaunti.
The national costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by Masaganang Ani with touch of Maria Clara with pride, dignity, and authenticity. Ako po, si Summer Jane, 18 years old, all the way hailing from the Manila's northeast edge, Santa Mesa, Manila. But for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, the controversial, ang babaeng gumiling sa dalampasigan bilang Marimar, lumangoy sa karagatan bilang Jezebel, at lumipad sa kalangitan bilang Darna, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ding Dong Dantes, your primetime queen, Miss Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera na nagsasabing, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Judges, I will not ask you to mark my number, but remember that Ding's young lady is going to fight fair and equal. Thank you.
Akala ko sa'yong series. Nagulat ako.
Mabuhay! Quiapo, Manila! Ano na? Bomba na!
The famous singer, songwriter, and the forever iconic mother monster Lady Gaga have said in one of her songs, I am born this way. Nací de esta manera in Spanish. Wujing lai jizuyang in Chinese. Yes, ni kwangsa in French. Ako'y isinilang na ganito sa wikang Filipino. This phrase in her song gives validity to every member of the LGBTQIA+ community. And it constantly reminds us that being part of this community is not wrong. Never has been and never will be. This young girl standing in front of your naked eyes truly hail all the way from the very busy and phenomenal city of Parañaque. I am Riri Canon Severnal, 19 years of age, who's taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at STI Pasay to EDSA, and was humbled to tell and proud that I am your youngest reigning queen of Parañaque 2022. Maraming salamat po. But tonight, just like what a typical contestero would say, allow me to stand by the name and carry the image of one of the most unbothered and bravest queen as she graced the international stage out, loud and proud member of the LGBTQIA+ community. Yes, allow me to be your bisexual and Army Reservist Miss Universe Philippines 2021 and your Miss Universe 2021 top 5 finisher, Beatrice Luigi Gomez. Miss Beatrice Luigi Gomez, who is honored and privileged to carry, wear, and represent the rich and beautiful cultural heritage of our very own Aita community. Mabuhay, Quiapo, Manila.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, may putok. Ang hindi maghiyawan, amoy bagang ang hininga. My name is Jerica Cadusale Alvarez. I'm only 14 years old. I'm a virgin, I'm a fresh. Nag-iiwan ng isang katabihan? Kung maganda ka, edi ikaw na. Thank you.
People of Quiapo, Manila, hi! Hello! Hep, hep! Hooray! San ka punta? Road trip! Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag, napintas. Ken naragsak, garabi, kadatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one. To our distinguished panel of the Board of Judges, ma'am, sir, and to all of the people of Quiapo, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. I am truly hailing all the way from the municipality of Umingan, province of Pangasinan. Rapal. Na patuloy pong naniniwala sa mga kasabihang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa, na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, ang ating pisikal na kaanyuan at ang kayamanan, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mong ibahagi sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your candidate number 8. And for this evening, I am very much proud and dignified to wear an authentic costume respecting the religious beliefs and the religious culture of the Philippines, the Sinulog Festival of Cebu City. Thank you so much. Good evening to every one of us. Each and every candidate wants to be a remarkable, and for I may not be the most beautiful, no largest or biggest national costume for tonight, but I strongly believe that simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly a remarkable. I am proud to say that my national costume they're wearing for tonight is truly all the way from Panagbenga Festival of Baguio City. Marahil hindi niyo po ako napanood sa Super Serena ng Bulaga. Lalong-lalong hindi niyo rin po ako napanood sa Miss Q&A ng Showtime. but I'm proud to say that I am your queen of Quezon City. First runner-up. My real name is Mateo Calamba Olasimen in real life. A fresh and indeed innocent 18-year-old listener who truly all the way from the city of Star, Quezon City. Ngunit ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo pong hiramin ko ang pagkatao ng nag-iisa ninyong basya at ang babaeng walang kapares at kapantay. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palagpakan at hiyawan? Sapagkat ngayong gabi, ako po, si Binibini, Barbie Fortesa. Barbie Fortesa po na nagsasabing, bata man po ko sa inyong paningin, huwag niyong mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpala, may fresh na bagets na tararak. Thank you and Happy New Year!
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala pong maaagawan ng jowa dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? I firmly believe that the physical attributes of a person as time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. Call me Yunil Tarayna Sibuche, a 22-year-old stunner, all the way last from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, and the former president of the National University Student Government, the highest governing body of students in the said university. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since it is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa telepantaseryeng Encantadia bilang si Sanglerira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan ang nag-iisang Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos na nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Ladies and gentlemen, people of Quiapo, Manila, hi! Hello! Inuulit ko po, hi! Hello! Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished panel, Board of Judges, hindi po ako papaka-girl in tonight's video because I always believe that beauty pageant like this is not only been the battle of one big boobs, nor the battle of one big hips. This is the battle of your personality, how you carry yourself, and most especially, you have your mind, because your mind is much prettier than what we call beautiful face or beautiful body. Hindi po ako dumayo sa lugar ninyo upang magpakita lamang ng aking angking kagandahan, bagkus ang tunay na reyna kailanman ay magsisilbing inspirasyon sa bawat isa. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Quiapo, Manila, hip hip! Ang hina naman, hip hip! Joke lamang po, Diyos! Marahay na banggi sa Indungabos, or should I say, what a glamorous and spectacular evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am the most controversial beauty queen of Antipolo, province of Rizal. I am Maria Sofia Alcantara, and I am proud to say that I am 33 years old. I'm an AB Mass Communication graduate from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City. Thank you. Graduated elementary and high school as a valedictorian. And I am proud to say that I graduated college with flying colors because I graduated as a legitimate magna cum laude. Ako po ang babaeng nag-trending sa kalsada, hila-hila ang pulang maleta. Ang tunay na nagmamayari ng pabrika ng Camila, Binibining Daniela Dimples Romana. Thank you. Na kailanman hindi po mag-iiwan ng bastos o nakakatuwang kasabihan. Isa lamang pong paalala, ngayong kapistahan ng ating pong Nazareno, atin pong isipin ang pagbabayubay at paghihirap niya para sa ating sangkatauhan. Isa lamang pong ating maisusukli, ang pagkakaisa, pagmamahalan, ang tunay na regalo sa kanyang kapistahan. Dahil ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan kailanman, hindi mo maipapakita sa ganda, sa laki, sa kinang. Dahil ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan ay ang tunay na may ipinaglalaban. Isang pagsaludo sa ating mga hari ng kalsada. Sabi nga nila, beep, 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 sakay na sa aking jeep.
People of Arlegui, Quiapo, Manila, ang hindi pumalakpak, masusunugan ng bahay. Mga hurado, ang hindi humiyaw, madadamay kapitbahay. Biro lamang po. People of Quiapo, Manila, I always believe in the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 3, Section 4 of the Bill of Rights, that no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and most especially the freedom of expression. That is why, judges, I am here standing in front of you, expressing the way I want to be. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, this is KCE Serena, a sweet 22 years old all the way from the fishing trade capital of the Philippines, where the Pangisdaan Festival is celebrated. I am not your Super Serena Grand Winner, nor your Miss Q&A, but I am here standing in front of you, proudly sharing to everyone that I am a former teacher at La Naval Academy in Navotas City, and I am also a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary. Na po ang cum laude, magna cum laude, at summa cum laude, dahil wala po tayo sa Recognition Day. And since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of one of the most beautiful
showbiz actress. Sino nga ba nagsabing patay na si Mokang? Sapagkat siya ay muling nabuhay upang magbigay pugay, magbigay kasiyahan sa mga ngiti na labi ng Quiapo, Manila. Thank you very much. And since this is a pageant, since this is a battle of the festival and national costume, I am wearing the modern Filipiniana inspired by the Bulaklakan all the way from the province of Bulacan, because I always believe, judges, that you are wearing. At para po sa mga kandidata, tama na po ang padamihan ng corona. Bagkus ang tunay na reyna, wala sa entablado, bagkus nasa baraha. At bago ko po lisanin ng 4 na sulok, 6 na sulok at 8 sulok ng entabladong ito, naniniwala po ako at nagbibigay po ako ng isang paalala, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataang bakla na narito ngayong gabi, na bago po kayo lumaklak, uminom ng kung ano-anong pampakinis, pampaputi at pampalaki ng hinaharap, please lamang po, magsiaral po muna kayo dahil ika nga po ni Kuya Kim, lamang ang may alam. Judges, I am your candidate number 13. Lucky number 13 is the luckiest number of them all. Thank you very much and good evening.
Palakpakan dyan? Wala rin hubang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Well, I always believe that many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle in public display, we transgender bend history. And that will be forever our story. By the way, my real name is Isumi Quinones, 16, yes, 16-year-old contender who truly all the way where the Bebop Beat Senor is celebrated and Lakbayao Festival is originated from the home of the generous people of Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel, Board of Educators, ma'am, sir, and to all audience tonight, allow me to tantalize myself into a little bit of sexy, a little bit of hot, glamorous, elite, beauty queen. I am one of your FHM model, Miss Iwa Mata City.